Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. My name is Amarpreet Kaur and I am your computer teacher. Today we will start a chapter third whose name is More on MS PowerPoint 2010. First, write the date and day on the top of this chapter. Now, what is a PowerPoint? PowerPoint we use to prepare the presentations. Okay. Now, we will do a chapter reading. First is introduction. MS PowerPoint is a very useful software application. Underline this. Okay, it is a software and which is used to create electronic presentations. Now underline this whole line. Okay, it is used to create the presentations and it allows the users to create dynamic slide presentations that may include animation, narration, images, videos, graphs, charts, diagrams, etc. to make the presentation interesting, engaging, and easier to understand. Now, um, you can also create a slide presentations and dynamic presentation you can create. It includes the animations. You can add a picture, videos, anything you can add there. Okay, and it will make your presentation very attractive. A presentation is made up of, underline this line, made up of several slides. Okay, you can add so many slides under a single presentation. A presentation can be shown on a projector or any display system. Okay, you can also use a projector to show your presentation on a big screen. It can also be printed and used as a handout. So you can also take a printout of this. You can also embed speaker notes in each slide. Okay, you can also add a speaker notes. Okay, and that speaker will read your slide. Okay, and tell the audience what content is there. Your next topic is applying the theme. How you can apply a theme. uh, Theme. Now, what is a theme? Theme is a set of predefined layouts that can be used to add a professional touch to your presentation. Okay, it will make your presentation very attractive and give add a professional touch to your presentation. The design tab in PowerPoint provides a variety of options. Under a design tab you can find a various options for designing and formatting a presentation. Okay, and here you will find a design tab, and here you can see there are various themes you can apply one of these. Okay, and they include predefined color palettes, fonts, backgrounds, and formatting effects. All these things are already present in the theme. Okay, you can also customize the existing theme or build your own theme. You can also do a customization. You can change. Okay, you can change as per your requirement. Now, choosing a theme. How you can choose a theme? PowerPoint has a number of built-in themes you can choose from. There are so many themes in a PowerPoint. Open an existing presentation. First, open your presentation. You can change the theme in the presentation by following the step. Now, first is click on the design tab. Okay, first click on design tab. Then place your mouse pointer over any of the theme. Okay, then go to the theme that you want to select, and step third is design is reflected immediately on your slide. Okay, now your design is reflected. Okay, suppose you have chosen a one design, click on a first theme, and that theme will show the design whatever is included in that theme. So you can see how it will look if you apply this design theme to your presentation. Okay, next step is click the design theme thumbnail. Okay, click the thumbnail when you find one that suits you need. Select the one and click on the thumbnail, and the selected theme will be applied to your presentation. Okay, it will apply. Okay, then now use of themes. Okay, there are various themes you can see. Now here you can see, you can scroll through the existing themes by clicking on the up and down. Okay, you can use the up and down keys to move on the themes to to select the theme. Okay, here are various themes available. Click on the mouse button to reveal all the available themes. Okay, you can also see all the themes, whatever what you can see how many themes are available in your presentation, and you can select the one from those. Okay, next is changing theme color scheme. Now, how you can change a theme color once you have selected a style of design theme. Okay, first you will select a style that you like for your presentation, and you can change a color. Then you can change a color of a theme from one that is currently applied. Okay, first select a slide, then you can change a color. To do this, now what are the steps for this? Click on the color. Now click on the color command at the right end of the themes group on the design tab. Go to design tab. Okay, there you will find a theme group, and there you can choose a color. Now here colors are given. Here you can choose. Place your mouse pointer over the various color themes chosen in the drop down list. Here is your drop down list, and front choice will be reflected on the slide. Now click the mouse when you find the right color scheme. Okay, you can select any color from these. Okay, next is changing theme fonts. Now how you can change a theme fonts? First click on the font command at the right end of the themes group in the design. Now again go to design tab and click on themes group, and under themes group you will find a font command. Place your mouse pointer over any of the font families. Okay, here the font families are given. You can click any of the font families to see how this group of fonts will look in your presentation. Okay, you can check how it will look. And last is click the mouse when you have found suitable font family. Okay, and you can use the mouse to select the font, and this font family will be applied to presentation, and that will be applied to your presentation. Okay, now next is changing theme backgrounds. Okay, next is theme backgrounds. Now what is a theme background? Just as you were able to change the background on a plain PowerPoint slide, suppose you want to change the background. Okay, you can do the same while using one of the many things. Now what you will do, you can also customize. Okay, you can also change the look of the background. Okay, you can customize the background of the slides by changing color. You can change the colors and adding shading, texture, and pattern. All these things you can add. You can add a shade, and you can also add a any text, any pattern. Okay, now click on the background styles. First click on the background style command under the background group, and you will find the background group under design tab of the ribbon. Okay, now place your mouse over any of the background style. You can select any of the style. Okay, background style will be reflected. Suppose you have clicked any one of the background style, and that style will be reflect on your will be shown on your slide. Okay, click when you find a background style that you like. Okay, then your selected style will be visible to you. Okay, now you can see the picture of how you can modify a theme background. Here you can choose any color. So many colors are there. Okay, now next topic is adding a sound. Okay, how you can add a sound to your presentation. You can also add a audio files. Okay, underline this line, add a audio files in your presentation. This audio file can be as a background. You can also add as a background music and explaining your point in a slide. Okay, uh, and to add a sound to the presentation, follow these steps. Now what you have to do to add the sound? First, click on audio command on the insert tab on the ribbon to open the insert audio. Go to insert audio um, under the insert tab, and then click on audio command. Okay, and next step is navigate and select the audio file. Here you can select so many audio files are given. You can select and click on the insert button. Here is the insert button. This will insert a speaker icon on the slide. Okay, Now your speaker icon will be inserted on the like this is your speaker icon, and click on the play button to preview the audio. You can also click on here to check the sound, and you can also add your own voice. Okay, you can also add your own voice as a narration or commentary to the topic of present. Suppose you want to explain any topic, and you can record the explanation of your topic and add your voice here. Okay, to do this, a microphone is needed to be attached to the computer. For this, you need to use the microphone. Okay, once the microphone is attached, then follow these steps. Now, what are the steps? First is click on the drop down arrow below the audio icon on the insert tab of the ribbon. First, go to insert tab, then audio, click on a audio icon, and then select the record audio option to open the record sound. Now we will select the record sound. Okay, here is a record button, and this one is a stop record button. Now click on the record button to start recording of your voice. You can record your voice, and you can also stop use a stop button to stop the recording. Now click OK button to insert the audio. Now your audio will be inserted into your slide. The audio clip, once inserted, can be deleted by selecting the speaker icon inserted on the slide and pressing a delete or del key. Okay, now if you have added a audio sound into your slide, then you can also delete. There is an option to delete. Okay, you can also delete your file. Now next is adding video. Now how you can add a video? You can add a video files also in your presentation. Okay, underline this word presentation, also learn the spelling of the presentation. Okay, now you can also add a video files along with the audio. Okay, this video file can be played at a particular time while running a slideshow. You can add a video into your slideshow. To add video to the presentation, what are the steps? First is click on video command on the insert tab on the ribbon to open insert video dialog box. Now go to insert tab. There you will find a video command, and then click on a insert video dialog box. Now next step is navigate and select the video file to be inserted and click on insert button. Now select your file, video file, which file you want to insert. This will insert the video along with the play control bar at the bottom of the click. Now when you click on insert button, then your file will be inserted. Okay, here file is given. Select this one and click on insert button. Now your video is inserted on a slide. Okay, now at the end, click on a play button. You can also check your video whether it is showing the screen or not. Okay, video clip once inserted can be deleted by selecting the clip and pressing a delete key. You can also delete a video as well as a audio file. It depends upon you. If you have added two videos and you want to use only a one, and you don't want to use another one, then you can delete a one video. Okay, now today we will do up to this, read up to this. Thank you, students. Stay home, stay healthy.